this is Srinivas. Welcome to our channel Machanabadi. Today we are going to learn 7th class second lesson, the right and reverse. Subtopic evaporation. Who she is? She is Pranavi, a school girl. When she woke up, she needs a boiled water to have a bath. That's why she set a fire and boiled the water. By boiling the water, she find out to and check out that the water was boiled or not. That's why she opened the lid slowly. When she opening the lid, some water droplets fell down into the boiling water, boiling bowl. She was surprised where it will comes from, and she also find out so many tiny droplets are covered with the inner part of the bowl, and then she finally got the thing. The water was, when heating up, changed into the form of the water vapor. The water, when heating up, changed into the water vapor. There are so many water bodies on the earth. What are those? Those are oceans, seas, streams, rivers, canals, tanks. These are all main water bodies on the earth. There are three seasons: rainy season, winter season, and summer season. In the rainy season, we have plenty of rains, experience more rains. In the winter season, we experience cold. In the summer season, what we experience? What will we experience? Temperature, high temperatures we will experience. In the summer season, the water in the all these water bodies will dry up and directly changed into the water vapor. The water was changed into water vapor. Why was it changed? Due to the high temperatures. What was the reason? Due to the high temperatures. This water vapor gradually form as the tiny droplets. Later, these tiny droplets are formed as bigger and bigger with the cover of the dust and other particles. That's why later these all are formed as the clouds. Later, this water vapor finally formed as the clouds. When the clouds will reach in the highest level or highest altitude in the sky, they will get cold. Thereafter, it giving or changed into or turned into the next process that it was called as the condensation. In this stage, the water droplets or water vapor started to change into the water. The final step was the precipitation. What was that? That is the precipitation. Finally, the water drops or tiny drops in the clouds are being started to reach the earth as the form of the rains. As the form of the rains. This is the topic. This total process was called as the water cycle. This total process was called as the water cycle. Why it was called as the water cycle? Cycle means a process happening every year. That's why this is called as the water cycle. Why? Because the water in the water bodies like oceans, seas, canals, or rivers, whatever it may be, due to the high temperatures, it will change into the water vapor in the summer season. And later, the water vapor formed into the clouds, and finally clouds transformed or give us much of friends. So this water vapor finally reached the the main levels of water bodies. This happens every year. This process happens every year. That's why this is called as the water cycle. Like, share and subscribe this channel. Thanks for the watching. Have a nice day.